Good morning everyone. My name is Darshan Saravanan and today I will present my presentation by asking question to the audience. So this question is relatable and more effective to the audience. To begin with my speech, I will start with a question. This question is relatable and To begin, next I will explain the background of the issue. Some students believe that success comes from studying or many hours, while others believe effective study methods are more important. I will state my position that studying smart is better than studying hard. My first point is that studying smart improves efficiency and saves time through methods as flashcards, mind maps, and practice questions. My second point is that it reduces stress and helps students maintain a better balance between studies and personal life. I will also mention a counter argument. Some people believe studying hard leads to success because it builds discipline. However, I will argue that hard work alone is not enough without effective strategies. Finally, I will conclude by summarizing my main points and restarting the smart studying is the better approach. Thank you.